children. Everyone, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Clap thrice. If you hear me, copy me. Thank you. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
We are super, and you?
I'm super too. Thank you. Take your seats. Okay, students. As you see, there is an empty plate, yes, on the desk, and some foods and drinks. Please answer the question. Which of them do you eat or drink most often? Please.
I often drink fizzy drinks. I often eat cakes.
I often eat meat.
I often eat fruit and vegetables.
I often eat dairy food.
I often eat fizzy drink.
I often eat burger.
I often drink fizzy drinks.
I often eat meat.
I often drink milk. I often eat bread.
Now, students, how do you think? Is it an eat well plate?
No.
Why?
Because there are some unhealthy food.
Choose them and take away.
We shouldn't eat burgers, we shouldn't drink fizzy drinks, and we shouldn't eat cakes.
How about you? Are there any unhealthy foods?
Yes.
Take away.
We shouldn't eat fizzy drink. We shouldn't eat cakes. We shouldn't
Eat
we shouldn't eat burgers.
burgers. Very nice. Okay. Should we eat fizzy drinks? No. Take away.
We shouldn't drink fizzy drinks.
Should we eat burgers, Sam? No. Take away.
We shouldn't eat burgers.
Should we eat cakes? Sam? No. Take away. Okay, students. How do you think? What are we going to talk about? Madhyar?
I think we are going to talk about healthy foods.
Okay. Please. Tataya? Yes, you're right. Okay.
Maybe we're going to talk about
Food for sport. Okay. Okay. Open your copybooks. Write the date and the scene. Food for sport. You look at the aims of our lesson. Today, we will understand the meaning of the text, answer the questions in accordance with the text, and find necessary information in the text. And I'll give you descriptions. Okay? Pay attention because I will assess you according to this criteria. For each correct answer, I give apple. Okay? First of all, guys, let me introduce you with new words. All of you, listen to the audio and repeat after it. Okay?
Carbohydrate.
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 Carbohydrate. Dairy product. Süt ve hamur.
Dehydrated.
Dehydrated. Dehydrated.
Fuel.
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 Water.
In good shape. Muscle.
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 Repair.
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 Now, before listening to the text, let's answer these questions. The first question: which food or drink give us us a lot of energy? Albina?
I think meat, fish, eggs give a lot of energy.
Very nice.
I think dairy products give us a lot of energy.
Which ones keep our muscles strong?
I think fruit and vegetables keep our muscles strong.
I think meats keep our muscles strong.
Very nice. Okay, let's listen to the text. Exercise number 2. Listen and read to find out. Are you ready?
Physical activities is a great way to keep fit. It does all it needs. Foods with carbohydrate, such as bread, rice, carbohydrate, your body stores the carbohydrate in your muscles. The muscles use foods with protein, such as meat, fish, and
Okay, have you understood?
Yes.
Let's try to answer this question again. Which food and the drinks give us a lot of energy? Who wants to answer? Jana, please.
Food with carbohydrates such as bread, rice, pasta and potatoes are an excellent source of energy.
Okay, very good. And the next question, which ones keep our muscles strong?
Proteins keep muscles and bones strong.
Thank you. Exercise number 3. Let's do true, false, or doesn't say task. Okay? For the first sentence, please welcome Ignor.
Would help you stay fit and healthy.
Is it true, false?
True.
True. Okay.
Certain sports
Require.
require certain food. Doesn't.
Eating meat helps us to have energy. True.
Okay, guys, exercise number 5. It's a pair work. You should work in pairs. Okay? You should complete the table using the adverbs. You know adverbs like sometimes, every day, often, never. Yes? Okay. Now please in pairs. Hajmukan, you with Albina. I am with Madhyar. Dastan with Asha.
How often do you eat homemade food?
I eat homemade food every day. How often do you drink water?
I drink water every day.
How often do you eat junk food like burgers? I never eat junk food like burgers.
How often do you eat fruit?
I eat fruit every day. How often do you eat homemade food?
I eat homemade food every day.
Now, children, it's your home task, exercise number 7. You should design your own healthy daily menu and present it to the class. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I use a tree of success for reflection. Please, what have you understood today?
I choose red apple. The lesson was very interesting. I know a lot.
I choose a yellow apple. I like the lesson, but I need to work on myself.
Okay, guys, the lesson is over. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, Miss Sayajan.